Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video I have a Louis Vuitton unboxing, and oh my gosh, this is totally unexpected. I mean, this particular piece was released last week on March 12th. If I could remember Friday, because Louis Vuitton released a lot of new things, it could either be Wednesday or Friday. So anyway, I totally didn't expect this, because this particular item that I will be showing it to you in a little bit, guys, has already been sold out before it is being launched. So I was literally midnight here in Los Angeles. I was waiting for the release on this particular piece, and it was sold out. It has never been available when it was launched last Friday. So anyway, oh my gosh, I am so excited because my essay made an effort to get this particular piece for me. I have been collecting this particular collection ever since, and oh my gosh, it's one of the best small leather goods from Louis Vuitton. Not only that, it is highly affordable. So anyway, I have the package here. Oh my gosh, I could not contain my excitement because I have never seen this particular color at the store. Or maybe I saw I'm not sure if it's a bum bag, but I saw it last time when I was at Louis Vuitton, and oh my gosh, it is beautiful. The color for this collection is absolutely beautiful. So anyway, oh my gosh, I didn't even know where to begin. I didn't even know where to start. But anyway, this was being wrapped nicely. So let me show you what I got. Oh my gosh, I was like, I cannot believe it. I cannot believe that she got me one of these, guys. She just messaged me and right away, hey, come to the store and pick up your item. I said, what are you talking about? I said, I got your piece. I got the one that you wanted. Because usually with Louis Vuitton, when it's limited edition, they sold out pretty fast, and more likely they would not replenish it, or you could order it, but it may take at least 15 days for them to source it out, or if not, they will cancel your order. But anyway, here it is. Oh my gosh, it's wrapped in this dust bag as usual. Oh, so here it is, guys. Oh my gosh, I am so excited. Oh, let me see. Oh wow, here she is. Oh wow, the color is so vibrant. Wow, so colorful. Wow, so beautiful. So this is a coin card holder, guys, from the Tigerama collection, and this is the signature canvas in a bright Tigerama rose. Beautiful, absolutely beautiful. Wow. Oh my gosh, this is so unexpected. Oh my gosh, I would have never thought that I will be able to get hands on this beautiful piece, guys. Wow, this has been sold out everywhere, and she's telling me that, oh, let's just wait if they're gonna send some more, or I could source it out for you. And of course, when I checked online, it's gone. It's completely sold out. So like I mentioned, yeah, it has been like sold out before it's being launched. So the next day, I think it was Saturday, I checked the website again. It's like it's completely, it's gone completely. But this one also came in with another color, which is the denim. Obviously it is blue. So that one, when it was launched, that was the only color that was available. So yeah, I wouldn't be surprised. I wouldn't be surprised, because this is such a beautiful piece. So anyway, look at the fuchsia color. It is so beautiful. It is so vibrant. So if you own one of these, more likely you are familiar with the feature of this particular thing. And the only difference is the color. So colorful, so vibrant. So anyway, this one has a 4 card slots in here. So there's 1, 2, 3, and this is a card slot right here as well. And yes, and as you guys have noticed, this one has a silver hardware because this is under the men's collection. Wow. It's, yeah, I think that all the Tigeramas are under men's collection. So that's why the hardware is in silver. Let me see. Okay. It is not the softest zipper. Oh my gosh. Let me see. The zipper seems to be, yeah. Oh wow. I got, oh wow. I didn't expect that I was able to get hands on these, and now the zipper. Well, I don't think the zipper is a big issue because I could always put some wax in it. But so far it is, see, it's so hard to, wow. Wow. It's so hard to maneuver the zipper, guys. Wow. Oh wow. It's normally it's not like this with the Vuitton, guys. So okay, let's see what we have here. So this is the the product information, the textile. And so this is the item number. This is M30777 coin card holder in fuchsia. Okay, so what else do we have? So this one actually, so the one that I got is made in Italy. I believe majority of all of the card holders, the coin card holders that I got from the Tigerama collection, they're all made in Italy. So this one has the zipper right here in the middle. So if you could put like coins in here, you could put bills or receipts or anything like that. And also on the side as well, this one has a flat pocket as well, which is lined with this leather, guys, which is a cowhide leather, tiger leather. Wow. Beautiful. Very nice. Okay. I'm still having a hard time with the zipper as well. So the inside is lined with this tiger leather. Beautiful. Wow, very nice. The color is amazing. Wow, look at that. Everything is in fuchsia pink. Wow, very nice. Let me see the glazing. The glazing is perfectly fine. Just only the zipper for this piece. Just the zipper. Oh, I think I could, yeah, I think it was all right now. It's not too bad. Yeah, I don't know if if I have issues with the zipper. I don't know if I'll be able to find one of these items, guys, because this has been sold out. I think the VICs, the very important client, were prioritized to get, you know, the first dibs on this particular piece. So yeah, wow. So this one has those silver hardware there with the engraved Louis Vuitton. Very nice. So this one was priced as $360 US. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. For the price, it's highly affordable. And I think this is one of the most durable small leather goods that I have in my collection. So speaking about the other colors that came out, the reason why I didn't get the denim, which is blue, because I have already one here. This one is, what color is this? This is the Lagoon Blue. Let me see. Tigerama Blue. Yes. And this particular one is more likely darker than the denim that was released. So I like this one better. I prefer to have this dark hint in a colorway. I prefer this compared to the lighter ones. So I have this, I got this one last year because this was released last year, and I'm so excited. Once again, this one has a silver hardware and it's holding up pretty well. It's holding up pretty nicely, and the zipper is very, very smooth. I never had any issues with this pieces, guys. So I would definitely go recommend it if you are in a hunt for an affordable coin and card holder. This is the perfect piece. Absolutely, absolutely. I will highly recommend this for the price itself. I was thinking, with all the price increase with the Louis Vuitton lately, I was thinking that the price for this is going to go up to at least $400. I was thinking this is going to be 420 US dollars, but it was, when I found out that this one is 360, I even wanted more. Like, I wanted to get it in my collection, definitely. So you got a card slot here, you got the zipper in here, and also the flat pocket. Well, yeah, I think this is perfect, and this is flat. It could fit in any of your purse with any problems. Very, very lovely. Yeah, so this is the Fuchsia. This was released, this one was released this year. So this is for this year, and this one is for last year. So I cannot even remember. I couldn't even recall what other colors. I know I have the Eclipse, but I couldn't even remember at all. But I know I am collecting the Tigerama every time they have a new release. Yeah, this is such a beautiful, such a really durable and versatile piece, guys. I could just put it in. This would not take a lot of space in your purse because, like I mentioned, it is flat. And let me see once again. Yeah, with the zipper, I have a little bit of issues, but I could always find, put some wax in it. Yeah, it is beautiful. Beautiful. So these are the two colors. Yeah, pretty much this, the color that they have this year is in denim, and this one is in fuchsia, and yeah, it's pretty close on this color with the blue ones, the denim ones, but it's a little bit lighter. So yeah, it is so beautiful, guys. I would highly recommend this beautiful small leather goods. Like I said, this one is on a men's collection, but because of the color, yeah, so this became more likely a unisex now. So a man could wear it, a woman could wear it, but then again, this particular color is very, very feminine compared to this. So yeah, I don't know why the Tigerama for this year is so pink. I know, so pink. The rose color is like very extremely feminine, definitely. But anyway, wow, I am beyond expectation. I mean, I did not really expect, guys. I did not expect that I was able to get a hands on these. It was sold out online. I couldn't source it out. The sales associate couldn't source it out for a few days. And then all of a sudden she messaged me that I found one for you, and it's like, oh my gosh, that was totally unexpected. Wow, I'm totally surprised, but I am so glad that I was able to get this to complete my collection. Absolutely. Definitely. So anyway, that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.